Check out this 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel drive, tow hooks, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input, split bench seat, vinyl seats and pass-through rear seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.